kular hakani kesni. Mangantrai hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
UMLA ka Cleared Constituency upakar mansala haka pratrik ujaliu aja penriau ulaong baka jinya khun nakabanta ka hong panyo ti daw yong karangyay beteng pat pen pauru ya ka jingkerman baka jingterwa ba Thymmai kanya ha baka kom ti daw yong ha East Jaiñtia Hills West Khas Hills bat Hagaro Hills haka jinya keren bagilat patai kubur uba shala ulaong baka sarkar kala batha ya kanhun maper bikin pen kre ya ka data pat ban pha ka dorkas ha umunti tang ba haka baun pha apat sya ka sarkar padeng bakan bishar benya.
It's not a question doesn't arise. We are here fighting for our rights, and if we still doubt, we will lose hope fighting for that. So we have full faith that the government will give justice to us. 12 years is a long year. We have been patient enough all this time. So this is a time where the government have give us a decision and give us a chance also to collect all the information and then send a proposal to the government as how it will be feasible for the mining in our region, East Jaiñtia Hills, in West Khas Hills, and even Garo Hills. All this we have to submit it together in one memorandum to the Chief Minister, and the Chief Minister, after a thorough study about this with his official, then they'll take a decision and then submit it to the central government. Because this time we don't want to have, to fail again. It might be a failure from our side or from whom we cannot blame anybody, because we have seen the open cast mining. What has been implemented is not feasible, especially in my region, East Jaiñtia Hills. So it might be feasible from other part of the state, but in my area it's not feasible. So that's why we feel that it's a high time for us to modify this. This modification, it might take time, but we have full hope that this time we'll do it, properly, and then we'll make sure that it happened this time. So we have to know what is the procedure, but we from the public, we feel the need is that number one, we have to go through the state government, and the state government needs to do that. Is the duty of the state government, who to approach and what is the next step to be taken. Because for us, our duty, and we are asking for our rights, and we are doing our duty by providing the information needed to the government, and after that the government will take a decision. Who, whom, where, how is the government decision.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.